Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Are you confused about which foundation to use? Today, we will compare pad footing versus combined footing to help you choose the right foundation for your construction project. We will break down the structural differences and the step-by-step construction process. Read this foundation drawing. We will use it to break down this foundation concept using a step-by-step construction process. Now, let's move to site. Marking and excavation. Look at this single foundation. It's called pad, or isolated footing, because it's used to support only one column. But in this case, you can see that these two pad foundations overlap. Hence, we will use a single rectangular base to support the two columns, and this is called a combined footing. Pay attention to every step. As we proceed, we will discuss additional criteria and conditions to consider before selecting the right foundation for your project. Plain cement concrete, PCC. Pouring of 50 mm lean concrete blinding to protect base reinforcement from corrosion. For easy movement, give 0.5 meters offset from the base. Placing of 50 mm concrete cover. Let's look at the drawing again, so we can get the correct reinforcement details for the pad and combined footing. Fixing of base reinforcement for the pad or isolated footing. Y12 at 140 mm center-to-center spacing. From this foundation section, let's prepare the starter column reinforcement. Starter bar size, 16 mm, links 8 mm at 175 mm spacing. Note, do not fix links hook on the same side. Alternate them instead. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Setting and alignment of starter column reinforcement. Pad footings are the most common and cost-effective foundation type. When to choose, this type of foundation includes 1. Where there's high soil-bearing capacity. 2. Where structural load is less. 3. Where the columns are far apart without overlap. However, the best practice is to do soil test to determine the soil-bearing capacity and the right foundation type. Then engage a good structural engineer to design the building. Do this, and you will build a safe and economical structure. This is my professional advice to you. Thanks. Base formwork and shuttering. To reinforce the combined footing correctly, let's look at the detailed drawing once again. Combined footing reinforcement preparation. Y12 at 140 mm center-to-center spacing. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Now, let's align, fix, and set these tool starter column reinforcement correctly on the combined footing base rebars. A combined footing supports 2 or more columns. It is essentially a long rectangular or trapezoidal raft for a specific set of columns. When to choose combined footing includes 1. When having boundary issues. Columns are on a property line, and you can't center a pad footing. 2. When columns are so close that individual pads would overlap. 3. When there's stability issues, weak soil, or uneven loads, where you need to prevent the building from tilting due to differential settlement. Formwork for combined footing base. Brace properly to avoid bursting of formwork during concrete casting. Now, let's negotiate and bring in a concrete truck. Casting of foundation bases. Ensure proper vibration while pouring. Ensure proper curing process. Formwork removal. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Ready for backfilling and compaction. Starter column. Formwork preparation. Plumb, align, and brace the formwork properly. having constructed and braced the formwork properly. Now, let's negotiate and bring in concrete truck to pour this columns. Pouring of starter columns. Formwork removal. Allow for proper curing. Laying of foundation walls. Filling and compaction. Now, let's bring in a plate compactor so we can compact layer by layer. Continuation of foundation wall laying. Filling and compaction. Installation of damp-proof membrane DPM. Additional layer of a well-compacted aggregate. Filling with a well-compacted hardcore. Fixing of ground floor slab reinforcement. Pouring of ground floor slab. Good. Having watched this construction video to the end, you must have learned how to choose the right foundation for your projects, whether pad footing or combined footing. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks.